Hey, welcome back. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host. It's Paul Motley, as ever, yet again with another daily podcast. So today, let's talk about Facebook ads. Oh yeah, that scary topic that no one likes talking about, mainly because the perception is A, it's really difficult, and B, it's really expensive. Okay, and that is probably why most people don't touch it, or they go out and try and find ways to do it and end up buying, Facebook courses of someone somewhere who had medium results once and, has struggled ever since. So it's constantly changing, right? The landscape is always changing. The way that Facebook ads is presented to us has changed dramatically over the last couple of years. Even now, just like maybe 2 days ago, it changed again. And what does that mean for us as advertisers? What does it mean? Because we want to get email leads as cheap as possible. Because what does that mean? That means we build a list. Our list is our asset. Regardless of how big your Facebook following is, how many friends you've got on, how big your fan page is, doesn't matter, all those things, right? It doesn't matter how much, if you use like a messenger bot, it doesn't matter how big that list is. The only thing you control is your email list. That's a tangible thing that you can go into your email autoresponder, download and print out, and you can sit there with it right in your hand. No one can take it away from you. Even if, and this is a big if, even if your email program gets either closed down, shut down, I'm talking worst case scenarios here, or you get banned from it or whatever, or disabled, whatever it is, you can still download your email list. And I recommend people to do a download once a month anyway, just to kind of like secure it, sort of like a backup. Like old companies, they do backups of their data on a regular basis, but marketers don't. Why is that? Are we worse? Are we not as good? Are we inferior? No, of course not. It's our business. So treat it like a business and make sure you back your data up. It's really basic, but I hardly know anybody that does it, right? So let's get back to the point. We want to get a maximum return, which means that we want to make sure that we are nurturing our email list. We are presenting offers to the right segments of that email list as well, so that we are most likely to convert on affiliate offers when we present them. That's how our business works. That's the business model. It hasn't broken. It still works to this day, right? Forget about people saying email's dead. That's bullshit. It's not dead. Otherwise, why am I getting so many emails each day? I get between 200 and 300 emails every single day. Is email marketing dead? Of course not. Don't listen to the people which say that, because the people that are saying that most likely are trying to sell you something else other than email marketing. Sorry, it just makes me laugh when I see this. Email is dead bullshit, right? And that's the facts of it. So, but we've got two ways. We go organic or we go paid. That's the way. Money loves speed. So if you want to build an email list faster, then you pay for that traffic. That's a no-brainer, right? No one's going to ever argue with that. But when it comes to Facebook ads, most people are really confused, and they end up paying way too much because they're not doing it in the right way, or they're not keeping up with the changes that Facebook makes. So what do we need to do? Well, the best way to get leads is to present your offer or your lead magnet, or whatever you want to call it, in such a way that it's irresistible for the people that you're showing it to. And how do we make it irresistible? We target the people which are most likely to need it, right? This is basic stuff, right? You don't want to go and sell sand to people that live in the desert. You want to sell water to people that live in the desert. Simple stuff, right? You don't want to sell sun cream to a lot of people in England because it rains a lot, right? But you can go and sell sun cream in Spain because it's sunny a lot, right? Just get that into your head. Think about your customer. Think about what they need rather than what they've already got or what they don't need. Because then when it comes to actually putting an ad out there, you're going to attract the right people because you're showing the right people something that can help solve a problem. Does that make sense? Of course it does. And then if you're getting better engagement on your ads because you're doing this, Facebook will reward you with lower ad prices. Simple stuff. And there's a couple of ways of getting it even lower and lower and lower. I'm not going to go into that right now, but I just want you to know that if you are trying to build a email list so that you can build your business, then again, Facebook ads are and still one of the best ways to do it. So I'm going to leave you with that now. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about all this again tomorrow, because it's super important that you do understand that there is a problem out there, but there's also a solution.